Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, lived a young man named Fahim. Fahim was ambitious, curious, and full of ideas that excited him deeply. Every week, a brand new dream captured his heart and imagination completely. One week, he dreamed of opening the village's biggest shop. Another week, he wanted to master pottery and sell beautiful handmade clay pots. Sometimes, he even planned to build a strong house with his own hands. But Fahim had one habit that slowly ruined every dream. Before starting anything, he told everyone about his plans loudly. He walked through the market, announcing his future success with confidence. People clapped, smiled, praised him, and wished him luck. That praise made Fahim feel powerful, respected, and already successful. At night, he slept peacefully, feeling proud without lifting a finger. But the next morning, his energy mysteriously disappeared. The fire to work was gone, replaced by comfort and laziness. Days passed, and the shop was never opened. Soon, Fahim found another exciting idea to announce. He gathered villagers again, promising to become the best potter. Once more, people applauded and filled him with encouragement. Once more, Fahim felt satisfied before doing any real work. The clay stayed untouched, and the dream quietly died. This pattern repeated for years, leaving Fahim frustrated and ashamed. His words were famous, but his hands remained empty. One evening, Fahim sat alone near an old village well. An elder approached him, calm, quiet, and deeply respected. The elder asked gently why Fahim looked so heavy-hearted. Fahim admitted he always failed despite having strong dreams. The elder listened carefully and asked about Fahim's first step. Fahim proudly said he always told everyone his plans. The elder smiled softly and invited Fahim to his garden. The next morning, the elder held 2 small seeds. One seed was planted quietly beneath the soil. The second seed was shown proudly to children and left on a rock. Days passed, and the buried seed received silent care. The seed on the rock dried, cracked, and disappeared. Slowly, a green sprout emerged from the hidden soil. The elder finally spoke about the power of silence. He explained that dreams need darkness, patience, and protection. When exposed too early, dreams lose strength and focus. Praise creates false completion, tricking the brain into feeling successful. This is why announcing goals too early kills motivation. Fahim realized he was addicted to approval, not achievement. That day, Fahim decided to work quietly for once. He chose a simple goal: build a wooden chair alone. He told no one and worked every evening silently. Some days were exciting, others painfully exhausting. But without pressure, Fahim kept going consistently. Weeks later, the chair stood strong and finished. For the first time, Fahim felt real pride. This pride came from silent, hard work, not empty words. Neighbors noticed the chair and asked questions. Fahim smiled and said he preferred finishing before speaking. Slowly, he built tables, shelves, and stools, quietly. Years passed, and Fahim became a respected craftsman. He never announced plans, only showed completed work. This is why success loves silence and rewards patience. Fahim's life transformed through quiet self-discipline. Now think honestly about your own unfinished dreams. How many goals died after receiving applause instead of effort? Remember this viral truth: why you should never announce your goals too early. Protect your dreams like seeds beneath the soil. Let results speak when the time is right.